Vuleka mbobo,
bobo vuleka,
vuleka mbobo,
bobo vuleka,
vuleka mbobo.
bobo
Hayibo
vuleka,
imbobo iyavuleka ntanga. Vuleka, vuleka mbobo,
bobo vuleka,
vuleka mbobo,
bobo vuleka,
vuleka mbobo,
bobo vuleka,
vuleka mbobo.
bobo vuleka,
Yasho vuleka mbobo,
bobo vuleka,
vuleka mbobo,
bobo vuleka.
Uite,
Tshwara le ka batso Arialo Tate Koza Uite Tshwara le ka batso Arialo
Tate Khoza. Tshwarane ka matso.
Arialo
Arialo Tate
Koza
Ay,
Opa Mr. Mlambo Trini Lwinto Orlando Pirates talk to me
uzwile ntanga ngiqale ngengoma ngithi vuleka mbobo.
Yeah.
Hayi mbobo iyavuleka mfethu. Kancane mfethu said and we've grown as a team mfethu. We play with maturity. Entanga mengithe 1-0 amabhakani yabonile athi uGoata kuleka mfana amabhakani azoshaya 1 within 20 minutes.
Yeah.
We did so 5 minutes we got a goal. I just a goal nyana ntanga a work goal.
Yeah.
Van Rooyen getting a ball on the line ulgaya police loop relutholile nangu Mbuthuma hala kasha hey baba kudlalwa and njengoba we getting that goal we just made a mistake ku CM you understand
Yeah.
CM just made a mistake I-mistake ayiswisanga thina ukuthi hayi sizothi sizosalga and bethu we came back strong got chances we came there. Gun blazing Pagania mfethu has matured so much bafethu has matured so much and we showing mfethu ukuthi we going there phela a league is a marathon and you know when you are in a marathon uyakhathala ntanga if mekushaya ama round ay15 maso ukuthi 10 uyeza uyayehlisa thina instead of ukuthi siyehlise now siyanyusa mfethu we are taking this one.
Can you talk about Tito Maswanganye ntanga
Naman naman
Yeah.
Mfethu
Yeah.
Mfethu you haven't been playing ensihlale sikhala ngayo you come you start as a starter you playing so well he got a goal he got a goal
Yeah.
he was supposed to get a third goal.
Yeah.
Pa you said it ukuthi there is no one who can score things like Tito but at least really uzamile to shy cut and pace yangithola deflection kwaba goal but Tito had a stellar game. I didn't want to see him going out. I think he was not supposed to go out. The police was not playing so well. Mibangamdonsa but this is not politics after all. Pirates we need sijabulile mfethu but Tito Maswanganye ntanga amlen. Bleep. Emergency. When we need someone ukuthi asolve le inkinga Tito Maswanganye is going to solve problems for us. Yeah.
Beautiful one from Tito Maswanganye ntanga. Can you talk about Ndaba as well?
Namani Ndaba omkhulu. Ndaba man of the match contender.
Yeah.
With no fear or favor. Mfethu nomremi makengena they complemented each other. Undaba naye ukhulile. Yabona mfethu when we play with people who are matured or people who know what they are doing. Now izongena leyo nto leyo you understand. Coach wa mina mengibheka uHood ukuthi uzoqala. Ndaba started. Mikangana inkingi.
Yeah.
Nekadlala kamnandi amabhola la ehlala esikhala ngokuthi mela wabuyisa qale first half wabuyise kamnandi second half was marvelous improved bethu Ndaba played so well today.
Yeah. And then we saw second half MasterChef was introduced. Do you think it is a shout there against Sundowns or Chiefs, one of the two?
Against Sundowns kakhulu. Chiefs isobe sesimfaka nje
Yeah.
empelo yomuntu uyapheka mfethu like not difficult nje naman
Yeah.
uyazazi lezi zinto zakhe.
Yeah.
That's what we need MasterChef for and it says MasterChef can come in sidliwe asishintshele game but MasterChef also noma siwina can maintain the game for us ukuthi sibambe ibhola. I think I was talking to Ghost or you ukuthi bethi game seyizophela. Now we are able to say asiphambili. We keeping the ball. That's what MasterChef did today. Hayi kakhulu mfethu kamnandi. That guy is so good. That guy every time ayezongena mfethu esigodini kuyajatshula. There is no one of every Pirates, even nalaba babomla mthuthu, they know ukuthi there's a player called MasterChef. Not by fluke, by what he's doing each and every game akayingena.
MasterChef Ntanga bekashisa. And then can we move on to Ngwana Sethi Skomota? You saw he missed a clear opportunity in Ntanga. The goal was literally facing him like this. That it doesn't have an excuse. So, because some of them are Mapagania are questioning, Uti, is it an ability thing, or do you think Uti was just a bit in the office in Ntanga?
There is not the ability thing. I don't think it's not a ability thing. But sometimes if it was an ability thing, on the squad. I'm talking about international level. He scored very most vital goals and good goals. Lapha yamekumela sithele ngamanzi ungwenya. Use boxing mfethu. Athathe lento le ayibeke lapha yangithola, and the technique was just bad. The technique was just bad, but I don't think it's an ability thing. Ukuthi ungenya kasithelanga ngamanzi nje.
Yeah. Should bonga mesa wena leya.
Angeke sikhulu.
It's an ability thing, we don't know. And then on Wednesday we have Mamelodi Sundowns. How do our coach approach this game? Because we saw the likes of Tito again, he showed up his hand. We saw Nomtachela Masindi coming in for Talent Mbata. We saw Chabatani the other day.
Yeah.
How does our coach approach this game?
Before we approach the game of Sundowns, can you please talk about cash, Bafethu?
Yeah.
We play so well like this because of that Matala. That Matala is there, always willing to start. He play Orlando Pirates. Phela seyiqalwa uwe. Ubheke every time usipho Michael Phethe uzokuthola half space aka cash ummele kani. And ucash uyathena futhi. Lokadisha amabhola to the sides, disha amabhola phakathi naborile. That's why we're having joy. We're having a structure. We are matured because of also the ukuthi cash ulapha. Yeah, understand. The cash played so well now. And for me also, I told you, was the man of the match concern. And he keeps on doing this. At what age? 36 years, 37. To cash is doing so wonders. Second ball, to ball recoveries is so good, that guy.
Yeah.
Then let's go to Sundowns game. I need the coach to structure the game. To cash lapha.
Yeah.
Cash lapha. Seka is spine say too much of knowing, but I need Mbata back. We can't start with Masindi. Yes, Masindi is a good player. Take nothing away from that, but we need to talent Mbata. We need stability. That's mayonnaise. Let's make a kulumangas. That's the stability we need. We need the stability. If we have cash numbers, we're gonna have stability. Why? Because cash sometimes uzo nyamalala. Lento le we have just said. You're gonna see talent Mbata. Sometimes Mbata ngeke abe khona, you're gonna see cash. Maybe that's why also talent Mbata was not here. Tito, even if it doesn't start, we start with that level ngukutshele ngayo. He can be on the bench, nabo MasterChef and so on and so forth. But let's start with that level. Le ngake ngayikhuluma before yokuthi le lokho isunelizini. I'm telling you. Siyababulala laba be Sundowns mfethu. Let's not go there sisaba. Let's go there sibabonisa. Let's take the advantage. You coach angasabi mfethu defensive mindsets. We go there all out.
Yeah. Now David Mapagania, that's Mr. Mlambo. Wopa.